Team WWE15. In this video I will be opening 3 NEX Mario Kart Wii figures, and you get one figure in each of these packets, and you get one of these. These are all the ones you can get. So I'll open this one first. And got Donkey Kong. Yep, Donkey Kong. So that's the first one. So here it is. It's Donkey Kong. Okay, put that aside for now. Now, I'll open this one. And this one is Yoshi. I got Yoshi in this one. Yep, Yoshi. So here's Yoshi. Okay, now here's the final one. Stand these up. And I got another Donkey Kong, as you just saw. Okay, so I got 2 Donkey Kongs, but hey, that's okay, because Donkey Kong's one of my favorites, so that's better. Now I got 2 of a good one. This is one of the good ones in this series, is Donkey Kong, so that's good. Here it is, it's the same as that one. So this is my opening of 3 NEX Mario Kart Wii figures. Thank you for watching. Bye.